These mechanical toy videos are blowing up on social media right now. One account has already gained nearly 400,000 followers, with their videos hitting over 22 million views. The best part? You can make these yourself in less than 5 minutes. Here is the exact step-by-step process. First, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPT in the sidebar. Search for the mechanical toy generator and hit Start Chat. The generator will give you 10 different scene options. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or just say more. I'm going with spacecraft. The GPT will now give you 6 specific options. Each one comes with 3 things: a before image prompt, an after image prompt, and a video prompt for the transformation. Copy that first image prompt and head over to Google Flow. In Flow, click New Project, select the Nano Banana 2 model, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and paste your prompt, and hit Go. Once the image is ready, download it. Then, go back to the GPT and copy the second image prompt. Paste it into Flow, but this time, click the plus icon and select your first image as a reference. This keeps the design consistent. Hit Generate, and download your second image. Now, let's turn them into a video. Go to Kling.ai and select Image to Video Generation. Add your first image as the start frame, and your second image as the end frame. Finally, go back to the GPT one last time to copy the video prompt. Paste it into Kling, select Video 3.0, choose your resolution, then the duration you want, and hit Generate. The results look incredibly real. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next set of AI tips and tricks. See you in the next one.